Everybody, happy Sunday. Today I am going to make papaya salad. This is Lao spicy salads. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome, good, healthy Lao papaya salads. Okay, alright, let's go start it. I'm gonna clean this one first. Okay, how to clean this papaya? I have this one. Take out all the green because we don't eat green one. Just go like this. Okay, very simple. You have this tool right here. Okay, let's go finish all of this. First, I'm gonna divide by 2 right here. To make papaya salad, you have to go green. Okay, this is the seed, white seed right here. I'm gonna spread it out. You have to go green because green is a bit crunchy, and then you don't eat red. Take off all this seed right here. Clean the seed out. Ready? Okay, papaya clean. Look at this, nice and green and crunchy. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one right here. I'm gonna show you how to squash this papaya right here. Let's go finish all of this. Go finish all of this so I can show you how to seasoning papaya salad. So let's do it. Let's keep going until I finish. Okay, papaya salad I already chopped, already done. Let's go start make the seasoning of this papaya salad. Okay, I got 2 tomatoes. This is like a plum tomato and then 2 lime. This is gonna be healthy. I'm gonna show you how to do papaya salad. First, I chop tomato. Just finish all of this. Just finish all the tomato. The more you put, the more benefit. Tomato is good for you. Okay, tomatoes done. Go ahead, put in the salad right here. Okay, this is 2 lime right here. Okay, squeeze all of this. More sour, more vitamin C. Everything vitamin C today. I'm gonna save one for I want lime set. So when I say I want lime, I'm gonna put my whole thing here. Just very thin lime set. Okay, this is lime set. Put in here. Alright. I'm gonna squeeze a lime. Some more of the 3 lime right here. More sour, more benefit of vitamin C. That's the reason why I want to put some more, and it's good for you and to eat like a lot of lime for vitamin C. Let's just squeeze it in here. Okay, 4 quart of garlic and hot pepper. I love hot. Garlic is protect you for the infection. Hot pepper is a vitamin C. A lot of vitamin C in here is a lot of benefit for you. The more you eat, the more stay younger because hot pepper. Everything else stay younger when you eat stuff like that, but hot pepper, vitamin C, and stay younger. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and chop the garlic. Chop all of this. Okay, remember you don't like garlic, you don't have to put in, but garlic to make everything taste very good. Okay, you don't have to put, or you can put just a little bit. You don't have to put a lot like me. For me, I love all the herbs, so that's why my food always pop up herbs. That's how I cook, how I eat. Cook what you like. If you don't like garlic, don't have to put. If you like, you want too much, 1 quart. This garlic chop right now. Let's chop hot pepper. Chop all of this. Okay, hot pepper chop. Remember that if you don't like spicy too much, you can put 1 or 2 or 3. If you like spicy, just go ahead power up. If you don't like too much, just put a little bit. Okay, that's all. 1 or 2 or 3, that's good for you. So I chop all this hot pepper and garlic ready. Okay, my papaya. Now this is garlic in and hot pepper in. Okay, put all of this. I love spice. Up to you how you want it. You want no spice? Everything up to you. This is my ingredient. Gonna be Lao fish sauce. 3 crab fish sauce is vitamin salt and sugar, lime, juice. Okay, let's go start it. Very easy. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and put the fish sauce in here. Lamb fish sauce first, about 3 spoons. Okay. All right. This Vietnamese fish sauce right here about, I would say, 5 spoons. Okay, 5 spoons. And this is sugar here about 1 spoon. Lime juice, 3 lime juice going down, all of it just like that. And let's go seasoning. You know, I don't have the old-fashioned way. They really have the one part of like a cook exact, so I do this way. Okay, let's start it. Make the good taste. If not enough anything, you always fix it, add on the way you like to eat, to taste. It's up to you. If you like spicy, sour, up to you. Everything up to you. This is, I'm gonna make very spicy taste, very deep taste, sour, spicy, everything. That's what I'm gonna make. Okay. You have the party, you wanna make for the party. You make like maybe 2 or 3 papaya, chop, and then add on the way I do it, just like that. Very easy. If you don't have lard fish sauce like that one, you can put just a Vietnamese fish sauce. Okay, let me taste it. It's good. I need more sugar. Good sour. Need more sugar. So I put 3 lime in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and put more fish sauce in there. See, that's always you taste it first. If anything you don't like anything, you always add more. So this is so good. It's wake up when you tired, your immune system not wake up. You make this salad right here, eat. Oh my God, you wake up right away. It's a lot of vitamin C going on in here, guys. Okay, and healthy salad. And go ahead, try to make it so easy. You don't have to be perfect. Try first. Go to Asian market, buy papaya, the green one, green one. Okay, that's the one, the crunchy one. Don't go red one. And you make this salad right here. If you have hamburger, you always put in hamburger and then put the beef burger in there, and you eat Lao style burger. Oh my God, I'm telling you, so good. Okay, let me taste again. So good. That's it. Papaya salad done, guys. I'm gonna show you how to set up, eat with topping vegetable. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to boil perfect egg. Eat with papaya salad. Okay, the water boiling right now. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna prepare to eat papaya salad. Okay, I love salads. Okay, let's go ahead, put the salad like that. This papaya salad I just finished make. I'm gonna go ahead, put papaya salad in my bowl right here, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead, put the noodle in here on the side, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead cook perfect egg. Put perfect egg in there. Perfect egg, so I cook. So I'm gonna go ahead, eat this healthy food like that. See that, guys? Yummy, right? Oh my God, this is crazy good, and everything come together. Perfect egg right there. Perfect noodle, and the best papaya salad I make. Topped it with salad. Okay, guys. Alright, let's go sit down and eat. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me. I show you how to cook the best food ever. Okay, that's how to eat papaya salad. I love spring onion. It'll be the egg, boiling perfect egg. Put them together, just like that. And noodle a little bit. That's how I eat my papaya, guys. And papaya salad on the top, just like that. That's it. Eat. Yum. This is healthy salad ever. so good. Please, mother, come on, let's come eat with me. Here, one more. I don't mean kissing you guys. I just to show you, how to eat healthy salad. All the spring onion, I love. Put the vegetable you love, and perfect boiled egg, some noodle, perfectly cooking, and delicious papaya salad.